Hey guys, I figured I'd give you another update. One thing I'm not going to do is I'm not going to actually make a video where I'm actually going into detail on how to build the battery. I'll basically just build it and make a video as I progress. Only because it's very time consuming and I just want to basically get this over with. There is tons of build videos on YouTube already. So, you know, if you want to know how to do this, you're looking at the wrong guy. Because I'm learning myself when it comes to batteries. Anyway, I got the BMS all wired up, as you can see. I went and potted the connection itself. That way, if the wires get snagged or pulled or moved, they won't. The pins won't short out. This way, I didn't have to use shrink wrap on the ends. But there's no moving that. Well, I mean, if you had to, you could peel that stuff off and redo it. But the leads are long enough that I shouldn't have an issue. I made the negative and positive on the very end, so it's not confusing when wiring it up to the battery. I still got to do these two. I found out it does have a temperature probe thingy on it, so I'll be using that definitely. I went and picked up some more nickel strip. I went and picked up some really good stuff here. You know, for the same price of what I picked up the thinner stuff, this stuff here is like a huge roll. This should be enough to do the whole battery. And it's somewhat thicker than the other nickel strip that I have here. So yeah, we're gonna get started on this today. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day balancing my batteries, because they're right out of balance because I took them for a ride yesterday. Oh, the wire works great. It stays cold throughout the whole cycle, so it's all good here. Safer anyway. So this is what we'll be doing today. I figured I'd give you guys an update. Well, that's it for today. I gotta give the welder a chance to cool down. It's getting pretty hot, but the pattern's working out pretty good. There's 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and then these 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and then you're done. Well, then you got the other side to do, but it's coming along. I made sure that every weld is obviously in the center and not the opposite side where it can short the cell. And I also made sure, like, this stuff is a little bit wider than these tabs that are on the plastic, so that's why they're sort of bowing over top of it. It's not a big deal. I like these nice and thick. That way, you don't have to worry about the heat transferring from the nickel to the battery itself. Plus, the welds I got here, as you can see, they're all dark. They're all very good. Like, I mean, to get this nickel off, you literally have to rip it off. There's not going to be any cold welds here. But that's about as much as I'm going to do today. Or I might do some more later on today, but that's it. Later, guys.